Good afternoon and a warm welcome to Billy's Travels on Facebook and on YouTube. As promised, this is a walk around of our 599L. It's the lounge model, it's a 2018. Just a few of the bits and pieces and mods that I've done, just in case anybody's interested. We'll start at the back. We have a bike rack on the back. Also came and got it with a tow bar. As you see from the rear garage, we've taken the struts off and we've put magnetic catches on, so there's more accessibility. Onto the drawer, I've ended up putting a new drawer on, which somebody actually gave me, because all the drawer runners go a bit iffy. But since then, if you can look under there, I've put mud flaps on each side of it and I grease it quite regular, so it's just to keep it, you know, that bit better. That's where I keep all my bits and pieces, obviously. I don't know how you guys have yours, but that's my setup. Also, we've got the ear pods, as we call them, the protectors for the wing mirrors. I've 465 watts of solar on the roof, and I'll show you the battery configuration in a bit. We have I need to do the same with this, really. Put a magnetic catch on the van and take the struts off. It makes it a lot easier for getting underneath to fill it up. Refillable gas bottles, gas low, 2 times 11 kilograms bottles. Brilliant system. External filler, of course. Also, I've got a gas barbecue point, which I had fitted when I got the motorhome, and I've also fitted this baby, an external 240 socket. Now that works on my inverter or on electric hookup, as I've wired it. We won't go into the toilet, that's just standard. I've also fitted, for European and warm climates, fridge fans. 45 quid, bit of fitting. We tried them last year, they're pretty good. They're pretty good, they really are. Obviously the controllers are inside, just up there. Those are the controllers for the fridge fans. Onto the inside, like I said, it's the lounge version and not the dinette. This is our battery department under here. If you can see there, 200 amp hour lithium batteries, the PO04s, I think they are, a 2,500 to 5,000 watt inverter with B2B charger, and obviously a solar. We've got so much solar going into this as well. I've also put on the outside of here, that's the B2B switch, and also there's an extra port, USB port. Nothing out the ordinary in here. All I've done is put an extra table there. Everything else is virtually the same. I put a socket there for the inverter side of things, and then we just change a plug over. There's the monitor up there for the batteries. Oh, we've got 90, 92. One thing I do is, if I put the heating on electric on 3 kilowatt, I use the kettle on the inverter. It saves blowing the stuff on the site. The only other thing, really, of course, we've got Sky Dome on top, all the gubbins. I put a shelf up here, all the gubbins for that on here. When it goes in, we're having Wi-Fi fitted, and I think the Wi-Fi box will go up here somewhere and plug into there at the back. The only other thing in the back area here is, under the bed, I put some stronger struts on. The big struts there, you see, left the original ones on, and as you see, the bed stays up. So long as there's nothing on the bed, it stays up quite well, and it makes it a lot more accessible. Also a TV in there as well. I have a sound bar at the top there, connected to the telly, which is a cello TV. And that's it. That's just a quick tour around, really. Hope you found something helpful there. Any questions, just drop me a bell. Cheers then. Bye now.